Baskog. May isang introduction mga idol. Introduction, mayong ilang introduction. Ka-vlog ka, sir.
That was exquisite artistry and flawless
Hello vlog,
execution.
welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ay,
Our guest conductor tonight is a native of Barangay Salong and belongs to a family of musicians.
Welcome to my vlog. For
She is an alumna of
today's video.
Silliman University College of Performing Arts, Masters in Music, major in Instrumental
For today's video
Conducting
guys,
in
nandito kami sa
2009.
Plaza
The
San Juan
piece which she will be conducting tonight is musically
Nandito si
renowned
Felix
for being
Bascog.
dynamic
Kasama ko dito si
and
Inday Bascog.
adventurous in form. It was one of the
Kasama ko si Inday
pieces
Bascog,
during her
nandito.
graduation recital repertoire. This piece is a medley of soundtracks from the Disney
Si Felix
pictures
Bascog, ang kasama niya
Pirates
dito,
of the
si Inday
Caribbean,
Bascog.
The Curse of the Black Pearl. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome Miss Unifaith Gariando Matula.
Guys, nakapokus kami guys sa Sibusawa Plaza. Nandito yung mga kasama namin na ngayon. Nanonood kami ng sine mga idol.
vlogger.
Nanonood kami ng sine, Yamashita Treasure mga idol. Saan ito sa Treasure ang pinanonood namin. Babay na guys, babay na guys. Kasi tulog na si Felix Bascog.
Vlog lang yung basin.
Kanina ang pinanood namin guys sa basin guys.